34 inches of wow. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Now, y'all clicked on this video for one reason only, and that is to get into this wig, honey. Now, like 34 inches of wow. Let's see if I can scoot back a little bit so I can get a better view of her. Look at her. Y'all, I'm so geeked to put this on. As y'all can see, it came in this pretty orange bag. Just the company, Osley. I want to say Osley hair. And I'm so happy. So the wig looks amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna put, well, the YouTuber, it was this girl on YouTube that bought the wig herself that made me want to buy it. I'll put her YouTube below, or her name, or I can't remember exactly right off the top of my head. I'll have to put it in there afterwards. But yeah, so I got 34 inches. I got the 13x4 lace. And I got HD. I think I want to get into starting to see like how HD laces are and stuff like that. So, this is the inside. It does look like, you know, the frontal is not 34 inches. And the girl whose YouTube video I watched, she said that about her wig too. But it's not terrible, you know. And then this, I'm not gonna measure and do all that. It's longer than what I normally get, and I'm a rock with it, okay? Look at that. So I'm finna bleach it, and I'll be back to show y'all how it's already giving scalp though. I couldn't even see the lace when it was on the thing. It's already giving scalp low-key. We just gotta make it my color, okay? Okay. I already got my bleach ready. Put this on the lace, and we about to get to work. So y'all, I had plucked my wig, and you know I'm about to get this cap glued down. Let me show y'all how it's looking so far. I really want to do it half up, half down, but you know I've been looking at it. I'm like, ooh, a middle part would be so cute too. Okay, it's a little white up there, so let's push that back. But y'all see, huh? Look at how good it's looking. Just wait.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
Ugh. Just wait till I put the makeup on it. Wait till I put the makeup on it. I'm gonna show you about how much hair. It's kind of like pre-plucked already. So like if you a person who not really good at plucking, or don't really have good how can I say this? Good experiences when it comes to plucking. This is about how much I took out of it, and I still think it's a little thick at the top. Because I want to put it in a ponytail, and I really want it to be as thin as it can get, but at the same time, I'm a girl who like to switch it up, so I might want to wear a middle part one day, so I don't want to like make it too thin, and I don't want to pluck it too much, but it definitely can be plucked some more than what I plucked it. Again, I plucked it like this much, and it's probably like a little bit of hair still left in there, because like get to really, you know, brush it through, and it's a little bit of hair still on my brush. But yeah, so about this much hair I plucked out of it, and it was, like I said, it was pre-plucked, and It looks good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It looks delish. And it really looked like it could be a side part. And y'all, let me show y'all how far down it comes on me. So y'all see, it's touching my butt. Ooh. But yeah, so it's long as hell. It's so long. I've been talking and talking, and let's get into slaying this wig.
Kept the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me. And you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a... You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club.
Oh, yo, shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Y'all we in Houston. We're definitely going down. Goddamn, appreciate you.
I know I've been away. Trying not to stay. Don't get my shit away. Trying not to stay. I know I've been away. Trying not to stay. Don't get my shit away. Trying not to stay.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Stepping spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to give you my feelings straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to give my feelings straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to give you my feelings straight.
Baby, you know me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, right around talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body, baby, I got you to know. But I'll never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want that, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my jet in the wind, I felt at the wind. My dog just caught another body, now he's popping Xannies again. Caught his ass slipping at the cul-de-sac. Sliding on the Osland toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chillin' with a Zoes at. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jack. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up, won't let me land. Playing dice with mustard, bet it on the photo team. I remember wondering what I'm gon' eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make one vroom vroom. Bring it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Mud, see me no more. Niggas talk shit, but they never ever knew us. I've been on top for a while. Yes, I chip it to the moon. That's how I make gon' go. Nigga just boom, boom, boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big patty with a brand new rim set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jet. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in like I'm sliding in the beam. But working on my confidence. And respect, I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us.